Yes, children, today you are going to start exercise 2.4. In this exercise, you will learn some more applications of linear equation. Now, first question is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5/2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Now, question number first of exercise 2.4. Let Amina thought of the number x. Therefore, number after subtracting 5/2 from x, then this number will become x minus 5/2. Therefore, number after multiplying the result by 8, result is here 5x minus 5/2. So when we multiply this result by 8, then it will become 8 into x minus 5/2. Therefore, now resulting number is 3 times the original number. So 3 times of the number x is 3x. Now we have given this resulting number is equal to 3 times of the number. So it means 8 times of x minus 5/2 is equal to 3x. Now we know multiplication distributes over subtraction. Therefore, if we open this bracket, then it will become 8 into x minus 8 into 5/2 is equal to 3x. Now this 8 will be cancelled out by 2 4 times, and then 8 minus 4 5s are 20. This is equal to 3x. Now we will transpose 3x to left hand side, then it will become 8x minus 3x is equal to, and this minus 20 will transpose to right hand side, then it will become plus 20. Then 8 minus 3x, this is 5x, is equal to 20. Now dividing both sides by 5, then it will become 5x upon 5 is equal to 20 upon 5. Then this 5 will be cancelled out and 20 will be cancelled out 4 times by 5, then it will become x is equal to 4. Therefore, Amina thought of the number is equal to 4. Now question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Now solution of question number 3 is, let the 10th digit be x. Since we have given sum of the digits is equal to 9, this is given, therefore unit digit will be 9 minus x, because we have given sum of the 2 digits is 9. If 10th digit is x, then unit digit will be 9 minus x. Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to 10 into 10th digit plus unit digit. Unit digit we have taken 9 minus x. Then 10x minus 1x, this is equal to 9x plus 9, and we can also write 9 into x plus 1. Since number after interchanging digits, if we interchange the digits, means if we make unit digit as 10th digit and 10th digit as unit digit, then this is the number after interchanging the digits, which is equal to original number plus 27. This is given. Now if you open this bracket, then it will become 10 into 9, 90, minus 10 into x, 10 minus 10x and plus x is equal to, similarly here, 9x plus 9 plus 20x, 27. Now 90 minus 9x, because minus 10x plus 10x, this is minus 9x, is equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27, that is 36. Or we can write this is equal to this, means 9x plus 36 is equal to 90 minus 9x. Now we will transpose this 36 to right hand side and this minus 9x to left hand side. Then it will become 9x plus 9x is equal to 90 minus 36. Now 9x plus 9x, so this is 18x, is equal to 90 minus 36, that is 54. Now dividing both sides by 18, then it will become 18x upon 18. 18 will be cancelled out, is equal to 54 upon 18. So it will be divided 3 times. Now x is equal to 3. So this is the value of x, means tens digit. Therefore number we have taken 9 into x plus 1. So we shall put value of x here, 9 into 3 plus 1, and 3 plus 1, this is 4, 9 4 is 36. So this is the required number. Now question number 5. In this question, Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. What are their present ages? Now solution of this question, let the present age of Shobho be x. Therefore his mother's present age is equal to 6 times of his present age, so it will become 6x. Since we have given Shobho's age 5 years from now is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. His mother's present age is 6x, so it will become 1 upon 3 into 6x, so 3 2 is 6, so this is equal to 2x. Now Shobho's age 5 years from now, Shobho's present age is x years. After 5 years his age will become x plus 5, so x plus 5 is equal to 2x, or we can write 2x is equal to x plus 5. Now transposing x from right hand side to left hand side, it will become 2x minus x is equal to 5. Now 2x minus x, this is equal to 5. So therefore Shobho's present age is 5 years and Shobho's mother's present age is 6x, x is 5, 6 into 5, this is equal to 30 years. So their present ages are 5 and 30 years respectively. Now question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Now solution of this question is, the ratio of length and breadth is, we have given, this is 11:4. Since let the length of the plot is equal to 11x, because ratio of length is 11, so we can take length of the plot is 11x, where x is some quantity here, and then breadth of the plot will become 4 into x, that is 4x, because ratio of breadth is 4, so breadth will become 4x. Therefore perimeter of the plot is rectangular, therefore perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. Now length of the plot is 11x and breadth is 4x, then 11x plus 4x, this is 15x. Now 2 into 15x, this is equal to 30x. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular plot here in terms of x. Since we have given rate of fencing of the plot is equal to rupees 100 per meter, therefore we have also given total cost of the fencing of the plot is equal to rupees 75,000. This is given, total cost of fencing is 75,000, but from our assumption it should be total perimeter is 30x meter and rate of fencing is rupees 100 per meter. So this is the cost of 1 meter of fencing, 100 into this perimeter 30x. This must be the total cost, which must be equal to 75,000. Now 30 into 100, this is 3000, x is equal to 75,000. Now dividing both sides by 3000, then it will become 3000 x upon 3000 is equal to 75,000 upon 3000. This 3000 will be cancelled out here x, and this 75,000 will be cancelled out by 3000 25 times. So x is equal to 25. So here x is equal to 25. Therefore length of the plot, we have taken 11x, so 11 into x, x is 25. Now 11 into 25, this is equal to 275 meter, and breadth of the plot, it was 4x. Now 4 into 25, this is equal to 100 meter. So these are the dimensions, length and breadth of the rectangular plot. And for practice, question number 2 and 4.